Okay, it's recording.
Oh, I'm like tearing now because it's so depressing.
What's depressing, Jonathan?
It came out of nowhere like that car.
Just out of nowhere?
It's like nice out like seconds ago.
It was funny because you started screaming mad loud. You're like, no!
Go!
Slow ass mofo in front of us.
Slow ass prick in a fast car. Right?
Slow ass prick in a fast car. He's handy. He has an umbrella. Let's look and laugh at the people who don't have umbrellas. Wait, they're getting in a car. They don't count.
Oh.
Yo, if only Nicole were with us now. We'd be having mad fun. Look, it's the liquor store with all the good liquor, and he drives faster. I got bagels from that hot bagels place. It wasn't, the bagels weren't really that hot. It's freaking false advertisement.
You should sue.
I should, right?
Yeah. Say, I'm suing you for false advertising.
Advertisement? What the heck did you just say?
I tripped over my own toe.
I tripped.
I should go in there and say, excuse me, I have any hot bagels? Probably a George.
Look, he's on a phone and he doesn't have
He's wearing
an
a hat.
umbrella.
It's okay.
Why is it raining a billion miles per hour? Look, that person doesn't have an umbrella and she's just walking like it's nothing. Holla. I have an injury on my knee. Look, there's a bakery and the pizza place and a man on a bicycle. And this is the way to pick up Anthony from his girlfriend's house. It's mad far away. And those people don't have umbrellas either. That's a lotto, please. Lucky 7. And his windshield wipers make mad noise. We're getting ready to turn. Bus. Plus
there's a car, there's a car, there's a car, there's a... There's a car. There's a car. Dumb dick!
What the fuck? Avenue P. We're chilling on Avenue P in Coleman. There's a stop sign. Bright lights. It's not, doesn't mean God. Don't go towards the white light. I'm pretty sure. Don't hit that person! Yo!
Is he holding a McDonald's bag?
Nah, but he's wearing all white.
No, it's beige. It's not white.
Alright, so then you can't really see him then. Yo, I have a feeling this video is going to be way more fun when Anthony gets in the car. Because you're not doing shiz right now.
I'm driving. Can't do anything.
You always do shiz when you're driving.
What the fuck are you doing?
I think he's trying to pull.
You fucking cunt. Motherfucker. Jesus fucking Christ.
Jesus Christ. And the wheels on the car go round and round, round and round. East 34th and Avenue P. Why do cars like to stop? What the heck is going on? I can't even see.
You didn't stop! You fucking penis sucker, dick licker bitch.
Penis sucker, dick licker bitch. That's great. Smoking a cigarette under the umbrella.
I want a cigarette.
You want a stove?
Stop. Oh, I got a pumpkin.
You want a Pump it, God, pump it, pump it, pump it. Yo,
I like $10 on this pump, please.
Not even at the gas station yet. I'm gonna stop this video and wait until we're at the gas station. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.